In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the dev error 7222 in Warzone and Black Ops 6. Now the first option is on Battle.net, and I'm not playing from Battle.net, but if you're using Battle.net, you should find the Warzone game, and then you want to click here and go Modify Install. Now obviously this is Overwatch, but for you it should be the Warzone or Black Ops 6, and in here there will be some things that you can uncheck, and you should uncheck the one called Warzone 2022. So uncheck that one and then press OK. Now see if it works after this. Otherwise, another thing you can try and do is log out of your Battle.net account. So come here, log out, create a new account, and then try and play it from a new account and see if that works. Now if this still doesn't work, another thing you can try is on Battle.net, go to options and scan and repair. If you're using Steam, there's something called verify integrity of game files that you can try on there. You can just simply Google how to do it. Otherwise, you just want to head into library, right click on your game, and there will be a verify button in there. Now, if none of these work, the last option you can do is simply reinstall the game. So uninstall and then reinstall, and this should work both for Battle.net and for the Steam. Now, I really hope any of these help fix the issue. If they did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.